What's going on? Richard Hairston here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge review. And this is my review of the One Funnel Away Challenge, okay? And yes, I am taking the challenge. I joined it back on June 17th last month. And we're coming down to the last few days. So I want to do a quick review on this to let you know how I've did in the challenge and what I've learned out of the challenge. So I did get my my box. Here's my box. Got my kit that came, and inside of the kit, it came with a little fake, bill of Russell Brunson that's also, talking about earning, income, actually, if I can get this right, talks about, earning affiliate commission with it. And so this sheet does as well. It comes along with it as well. Also, you're going to get this little MP3 player, okay, that comes along with it, that talks about the One Funnel Away Challenge. You can plug this into your USB player inside of your vehicle when you're traveling, and listen to it, or you can plug it into your computer. Got the little controls on the front and everything. You're able to charge it up. And I love listening to this when I'm driving because I can't hardly find anything on the radio these days worth listening to, You get the Two Comma Club coaching book, okay? You can kind of glance in here and see what you're looking at a little bit. Now, you know that this program is by Russell Brunson, okay? The owner of Clickfunnels, co-owner, one of the co-owners. You're also going to get this workbook, okay? The challenge workbook, okay? As you're going through the challenge, you can go through this book and take notes and things. Keep up with this. This will be for you to have, to whenever you start creating different funnels, regardless of whatever system that you're using, okay? You're able to use this and do that with, okay? But not only that, you're going to get this hardcover of You Suddenly Lose Everything. What would you do day 1 through day 30 to save yourself? And it has people in here who wrote out a 30-day plan of what they would do to actually get started again and try to get back to where they are right now. Okay, so that's what you get with the kit. And it takes a little while for it to come, but you will get it eventually if you decide you want to take the challenge. So what I want to do right now is I want to take you inside of the membership area and let you see, what's inside of the membership area and what you get inside of there. Okay, so I'm going to drop down in the corner over here. And this is the website, but I'm going to go ahead on and log in just for time's sake. Okay. And and I'm already logged in, okay, so I'll log out just so you know. I was already logged in, so I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so when you come in, you're going to see this video here, okay. So what you want to do, you're actually going to have this training here, okay. So this is the actual 30-day training that you're going to get. And when you get started, what's going to happen is it's going to start off with the first week talking about belief. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in the products or services that you're representing, because if you don't believe in it, then no one else is going to believe in it either. So you want to make sure you go through this step by step. Each day you're going to get a new lesson. And I'm going to click on the You Must Believe just to have a look. You're able to download the worksheets. Those are the same worksheets that's in this book here as well, okay, in your worksheet book. But I decided to, download them as I was going along as well and everything like that. So, and Russell Brunson is going to talk to you, then Stephen Larson, okay. So that's the first week, and you're going to have videos in each week and an assignment to do each night, okay. So, and make sure you do the assignment, because that's the only way you're going to learn, okay. And that's why I took this One Away Challenge, One Funnel Away Challenge, because I'm always trying to learn new strategies and, improve on my skill set so I can really excel in this, in my business, so I can really make my business grow. And who better to learn from than, Russell Brunson, someone who's been doing this for 15 years, Stephen Larson, who's a student, actually worked at Clickfunnels and has his own business now, in the MLM network marketing industry, so I'm learning from both of those guys as well. Okay, so you're just going to come down through here and you're going to do the first week. Okay, you're going to get a video per day. Then it's the second, what they call week 1. Okay. Actually, its first week is just a belief week. Okay. The week 1 is when you're actually going to get into things. It's called offer hacking. Okay. If I click on that, you're going to find little videos by Russell Brunson, Julie, and Steven. Okay. So if you go down through here for week 1, it's all about your offer. Okay. It's all about offer hacking. It's all about making your product sexy. It's all about giving more value to make your product more valuable. Okay. So you're going to learn that. Then in week 2, you're going to have publishing, talking about content creation. Okay. How we need to be creating content every day, which I have not been consistent with, but that's something I'm going to start doing. It talks about the Infinity Bridge, the Infinity Bridge, your origin story, hooks. I'm learning a lot. I have learned a lot in this challenge, and I highly suggest, if you're a newbie, if you are a beginner, or if you're struggling, take the challenge. Now, understand that when you take this challenge, yes, they are going to ask you to get a Clickfunnels account, but you're not required to get one. That's totally up to you. But if you don't have a marketing system already, at least take the 14-day free trial, and get used to it, and just follow this process. And then if you decide it's for you, you can keep it. If you decide it's not, then hey, you don't. Okay. And there will be a link in the description to, take the One Funnel Away challenge if you decide to do so. Okay. Then you're going to have catch up day. Okay, week 2, you're going to have a catch-up day and a catch-up day. Just in case you get behind, you're able to catch up on things. Okay, then in week 2, okay, you're going to have the funnel. This is where you actually, week 3, this is where you're actually going to start putting the funnel together where, you can get your Clickfunnels account. Okay, then it talks about the share funnel, the bonuses, the squeeze page, the sale page, and the one-time offer page. Okay, so I'll just click on that so you'll see what you get there. Once again, you have videos. Russell talks about the funnels. Julie talks about it, and Steven talks about it as well. You're getting 3 different perspectives, and I love that about this challenge. Okay, once you get through week 3, you're going to come down to week 4. And you're going to have the traffic. That is one of the main things, that a lot of people who come online, they're trying to make it, is they have issues or problems getting traffic. And what I've discovered is the traffic is already there. You just have to know where it's at, put in the right hook to get them from where they are over to where you are, where your products and services are. So, I love it. I'm going to take it again, just because I want to go through it again. It was worth it, and it's worth it. It will be worth it again to do so. So it talks about your Dream 100, earning your way in, and buy your way in. So you watch those traffic strategy. So this is what the challenge is all about. Okay. So also, as I mentioned, this book here, this hardcover book, you also have access to that right here in this challenge. The same people that you see here, they are just in video format. Okay. You have them inside of the hard copy as well. And also you can download their 30-day plan as well. Okay. So you just go through here, find who you like, whatever your business model is, and then you can go with it. I like Spencer Meacham. I like him. And I like Steven Larson. Okay. I have watched some of the other ones, but I really like Spencer because he is about, affiliate marketing. Okay. And Steve Larson is about network marketing. So that coincides with both of the business, strategies that I'm using to, to grow my business and make money online. Okay. So you have that as well. Okay. So you have that. And if you decide, you want to take the challenge, remember, you can go to here and become an affiliate as well and start, you earn $100 for every one of these. You get a sale, Russell Brunson, Clickfunnels does not make any money on this. Russell Brunson does not make any money. You get 100% commission, $100. Not only that, you're going to get access to the One Funnel Away Challenge group. Now, this group here is specifically for the people who took the challenge on June the 17th up until now. This group is going to go away, and a new group is going to come for the people who are taking the challenge the next go round, which starts, if you see here, in 17 days. Okay, so there's a countdown. Registration begins, okay, ends on August the 4th at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So you have the opportunity to go ahead on and join the challenge right now. Okay, so like I said, if you're a newbie and you're struggling, take the challenge. Learn some stuff from Russell Brunson, from Steve Larson, and from Julie, and just apply it and start believing that you can do this, because I know you can. I used to believe that I couldn't do this. I thought something was, I couldn't get the grasp of it, but it took me a while, but I've learned it, but I'm still learning. There are things that I'm still learning, okay? I have not learned everything about this, okay? But I do know that if you take this information that is given to you, you can, I believe, make some money online. They walk you step by step. So with that being said, there's a link in the description. If you want to get started with the One Funnel Away Challenge, this is my One Funnel Away Challenge review. I just want to be honest with you. It was helpful to me. Very, very helpful. The strategies that they lay out are bar none. Okay. And you can apply them to your business as you are going along. So I highly recommend this challenge to anybody who wants to get started with it. Okay. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. Click the link in the description below to get started with the One Funnel Away Challenge. Get signed up so you'll be locked in for when the spot, when it comes around. Okay. Also, thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Like the video and comment on the video if you have any comments. If you have any questions, my contact information will be below this video as well. But I encourage you to go ahead and take the One Funnel Away Challenge by clicking the link in the description, okay? And I will see you on the inside of the next challenge. I hope to meet you there. So with that being said, you have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.